Hi mga Zai! For today's video pala is we're going to the mini Boracay of our hometown and that is called Caguait White Beach. But before that, we made a sweet Filipino macaroni salad. Guys, these are the ingredients of this recipe. First, you should have a macaroni pasta, condensed milk, all-purpose cream, kaong mga Zai, which is may color red, tsaka color green. The next one is the cheese, raisins, mga Zai, ihalo-halo na sila tanan ingredients. By the way, mga Zai, in cooking your macaroni pasta, you just have to boil the water, then put a little bit of oil para di siya magdikit-dikit. Pag nagbukal na siya, pwede mo na ilagay yung macaroni pasta mo until maluto siya. After that, mga Zai, imikos-mikos mo lang lahat ng ingredients. Then that's it. Well done! Mga Zai, after namin gumawa nito, pumunta na kami agad ng Caguait White Beach, which is the mini Boracay of our hometown. Mga Zai, we're finally here. The water is very calm. The weather is good. As you can see, nag-i-enjoy talaga yung mga bata na parabang hindi taga-dagat. Charot lang. Kung nag-wonder mo sa occasion, anong namin diri, despedida ni sa akong tita 10, gisabay na po ng birthday sa akong papa.
Wait, cake. Happy birthday.
Mga Zai, nakadungog mo walay cake. Wala good nga naman. Kay kinahanglan i-pick up ng 11. Ni adto dito 12 naman. O, merisi. Kay unsay pagtuon ni mo tag-iya kag bakery. Mga Zai, if wala pa ka nakaari sa Caguait White Beach, you must visit. It is indeed a notable long stretch of white sand beach in Surigao del Sur, known for its unique sea-shaped coastline and pristine beauty. Guys, it is a perfect place to celebrate any occasion with your friends and family. Caguait Beach also has a beautiful sunrise. If you want to stay overnight, no worries, because this place has some staycation and hotels to stay even for a longer period of time. Always remember, local spots are our treasure. There's no place like home. The beauty is here. The only Caguait White Beach, the mini Boracay of our hometown. Thank you for watching. Ingat po palagi. Bye!